your body settle as if it knows this is a safe place for you to rest. Now take a slow, gentle breath in through your nose and breathe it out through your mouth, long and slow. And as you do, feel your shoulders soften, your jaw loosen, and your whole body begin to melt. Melt into ease, relaxation, and calm. Another easy breath in through your nose. And all the way out, longer and slower, through your mouth. With every breath, your nervous system settles. Your body recognizes safety and responds beautifully. Now allow your eyes to close and feel your awareness turn inward. Inward towards that quiet place where all healing is possible and natural. You already feel yourself drifting, already going deeper. Now bring your attention to the top of your head. Feel your scalp soften. Feel your forehead smooth and feel all the muscles in and around your eyes relax. Your cheeks soften, your lips rest gently together, and your jaw feels loose and at ease. Your neck releases, your shoulders drop, and your arms feel heavy, supported, and warm. Your hands rest quietly, and your breath moves freely, gently, in and out of your chest, your belly, soft and relaxed. Your hips settle, your legs feel supported, all the way down to your feet and your toes. Every part of you is held, safe, and at home. Now bring your awareness to your skin, the skin that covers your whole body. Your skin feels protected, respected, and comfortable. It is your natural boundary, your shield, your gentle container. Now imagine a soft, golden light flowing down over you, wrapping around your skin like a warm blanket. This golden light soothes, nourishes, and restores. Your body recognizes this feeling and remembers it. Now in your mind, see a staircase leading down into deeper relaxation. With each number I count, your body relaxes even more. 10, going deeper. 9, drifting deeper. 8, calm spreading through your body. 7, thoughts slowing. 6, breath deepening. 5, body floating. 4, feeling so safe. 3, feeling so supported. 2, feeling deeply settled. And 1, feeling fully and beautifully relaxed. You are now in that space where your subconscious listens and responds with ease. This place has been waiting for you to arrive so that healing can begin. Your mind is powerful and it responds to your words. Your body is intelligent and listens, especially when those words are calm, especially when those words are kind and your nervous system knows it. Your hands are intelligent, gentle, and aware. They respond naturally to calm signals and rest easily. Your mind loves clear instructions, and now you give it new ones, loving ones, true ones. You are enough, you are safe, your mind responds to your words. And your skin responds to respect, to care, to comfort. You deserve beautiful, healthy skin. You deserve calm, self-assurance, and deep peace. Now imagine going beneath the surface of your own skin to the level of the cells. Each cell glows, healthy, calm, whole. Your skin cells communicate perfectly. They know how to renew, how to protect, how to restore. Rich blood flows nourishing oxygen to your skin, bringing hydration and ease. Nerve endings feel calm, regulated, and settled. Your skin feels smooth, comfortable, and at peace, and you are barely aware it is there at all. Your subconscious remembers the original blueprint of calm skin and gentle hands, and it is restoring that now. Imagine a younger version of you standing in front of you, calm, open, and trusting. You gently place your hands over hers, warm and kind, and you say to her, you are safe, you are cared for, and you are allowed to soothe yourself with kindness. Comfort flows in easily, and she receives it fully. Your body learns that softness works, that safety works, and it feels so good. Now see yourself moving through your days, hands relaxed, body settled, skin happy, skin comfortable, respected, and left in peace. Your hands naturally choose stillness. They naturally choose nurturing touch. You feel calm, grounded, and at ease in your body and in your skin. Your beautiful, healthy, glowing skin. Evenings feel peaceful, bedtime feels safe, and sleep comes so very easily. This is who you are now, a woman who lives in comfort, in self-trust, and in deep calm. This is your new normal. Now above your head, to seal in the new you, a gentle vortex of golden light begins to spin. Soft, supportive, and clearing. This vortex is just for you. This vortex moves slowly through your body, resetting signals, releasing old patterns. As it flows through your arms and your hands, they relax even more. Your skin is bathed in light, protected, respected, everything aligning beautifully. And now, together, we give it clear instructions. I am commanding, directing, instructing every nerve in your hands to remain calm and settled. Every signal between your mind and body to communicate safely. Your hands to rest naturally. Your skin remain happy. Comfort is your natural state. Your subconscious accepts this fully and installs it permanently. Now let these words sink in. My hands are calm. My skin feels safe. I treat my body with respect. Now repeat these words in your mind. I am enough. I am safe. My mind responds to my words. So comfort comes easily, stillness feels natural, and this is who you are. Self-care is who you are. This is familiar, this is normal, this is who you are. You love listening to this recording. Your body recognizes it and relaxes even faster each time. Each time you hear these words, you go deeper and the change strengthens. Now allow yourself to drift into a deep, restorative, healing sleep. The subconscious continues the work all through the night, and you will wake up feeling calm and at home in your body and your beautiful, beautiful skin. So rest now, softly, safely, deeply, and sleep long and settled, and awake, refreshed and renewed. And so it is.